Why does multi-cloud increase management overhead? Imagine juggling several balls at once. Each ball is a different cloud platform like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud. Keeping all those balls in the air takes effort. That's what managing multiple cloud platforms feels like. When organizations choose a multi-cloud strategy, they want flexibility and to avoid vendor lock-in. But this choice also means more work for the IT teams. Every cloud provider has its own management tools, interfaces, and security rules. For example, Amazon Web Services has its management console and specific APIs. Microsoft Azure uses a different portal and set of policies. Google Cloud has its own dashboards and configurations. Learning and using all these tools requires specialized knowledge. Teams often need extra training to handle each platform properly. This increases the time and effort needed to do tasks like setting up resources, monitoring performance, or fixing issues. Another challenge is making sure everything works smoothly across clouds. Data, applications, and infrastructure need to connect and communicate. But different clouds don't always work well together without extra work. This can lead to gaps in security or compliance. For example, security policies that work in Amazon might not automatically apply in Google Cloud. Organizations must create new rules and tools to keep security consistent. That adds more steps and oversight. Cost management is also more complicated. Each cloud has its own pricing model. Tracking expenses across multiple clouds means using special tools or dashboards. Without a central view, it's easy to overspend or miss hidden charges like data transfer fees. Monitoring performance across different environments is tricky too. Metrics and logs are stored differently, making troubleshooting more time-consuming. When something goes wrong, teams have to gather data from various sources to find the root cause. Vendor management adds another layer of work. Contracts, service-level agreements, and support vary from one provider to another. Keeping track of these and ensuring they are met can be a full-time job. Automating tasks across clouds is also complex. Infrastructure as code tools like Terraform or Ansible support multiple providers, but maintaining those scripts takes effort. They need to be updated for each platform's specific requirements. To handle these challenges, many organizations turn to multi-cloud management platforms. These tools give a unified view of costs, security, and performance across all clouds. Automating deployment and configuration with support for multiple providers helps reduce manual work. Establishing common security policies and using centralized compliance tools can prevent errors. Training teams on multi-cloud environments is essential to avoid mistakes and improve efficiency. In short, managing more than one cloud increases workload because it multiplies the operational areas IT teams must oversee. Each platform has its own tools, rules, and workflows. Overcoming this requires investing in the right tools, automation, and skills. This way, organizations can keep control, stay secure, and manage costs effectively across their entire cloud landscape.